would like to introduce members of my group. The first one is Yunita, and the second is Indah, and the next is Yusi Susilawati, and the next is Rahma, and the last is me, Asysyifa. Today we would like to performance about the storytelling that the title is The Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. I hope you will enjoy. Happy watching!
The Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had a long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the roses. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evening.
The Princess and the Golden Bird will sing mesmerizing song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will making the song, saying the beautiful heart of the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until the sunrise.
While people live peacefully, a wicked witch came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She cursed the princess and her hair turned ugly black. As usual, the bird started singing the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Neither they were evil and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dreams and was worried.
She asked the Golden Bird what she should do to turn her back again. The bird asked the princess to dip her hair into the rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, her hair turned into beautiful red with the usually glow. And then all the people in the kingdom sleep with sweet dream again, hearing the lullaby. And knowing this, the wicked witch cursed again the princess and took all the roses from the kingdom. The princess didn't know what to do, and she began to cry. The tears fall down and down, and the prince was there. The prince took a piece of a single red hair, and it turned to be a rose. And then the princess took the rose and made rose water to turn her hair back again. Knowing this, the witch that grew so evil became 1,000 pieces. And the princess and the prince got married, and they lived happily ever after. The end.